Good morning, Owen. It's Dad. Yeah. Good morning. We excited to be up? Are we excited to be up? I bet we are. Yeah. Yay. Yay. Ready to have a big exciting day? Yeah? Oh man. I'm excited. Yeah. What should we do today? Yeah, think about it. Now you've spotted the evil cell phone device. Look at Dad, he's better. Here you go, Dad. Oh.